McVeigh Mechanical. We're at the plumbing shop right now. We got our new Milwaukee M18 fuel grinder. We're getting a white glove treatment today, and we're gonna cut open this hot water tank, find out what's inside it. This tank's from 2006. We just replaced it with a Navien on-demand water heater, and we want to show you the reasons why you should flush your tank out annually, or if your tank's over 8 years old, you should replace it with a new tank or an on-demand water heater. All right. Okay, so we're through the external layer and the insulation, and we're down to the steel here. So now we're gonna cut the steel open, find out what's inside this bad boy. All right, let's get her going. Okay, so we got the tank open. Cut open the inside layer of steel. Looks like it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. And first thing we see here is the sacrificial anode, designed to rot out rather than the tank. Woo! That's pretty nasty. That's inside your hot water tank. That's coming out in your showers. Sit in your hot water tank. Whew, it's supposed to be potable water. Would you drink that? What else we got in here? Oh, feels like a small animal. Just kidding. Nothing but minerals, deposits, and erosion, corrosion. Nasty stuff. Get your tanks flushed, get a new tank, give us a call. Anytime.